This is Kenzo Extra Hot Forex. It's weekend, so let's go straight to NASDAQ 100 and US30. This is my weekly idea. So, what might happen and what happened? So, here I'm on a daily time frame. So, you've seen that last week the market was just going up, even if we had some small rejection, but you've seen that around this here the market was just going up. You can see that since the market broke our resistance here, the market just kept going high, even if, but on a smaller time frame we had small rejections, but the overall picture, the market was going high. So what can we expect from this resistance here? You see that this was our highest point, and now we almost reached our uh, highest point. So what can happen maybe next week? I don't think maybe NASDAQ will just reject like that. I think we have a very nice bullish market at the moment, so NASDAQ can still push higher if we break this area. Once we close above this area, we can wait for a rejection or a retest, then we can say we can buy. But sometimes it doesn't retest immediately, so we can miss a very nice move. Sometimes if we're going to be greedy, we can just enter after the first candle, which will close above our resistance. I hope maybe you understand that. But if NASDAQ is unable to break this area, it means we can see a very small sell-off. I don't think the sell-off will reach this area anytime soon. So what I think, maybe if it's going to retest, I think maybe it can be a very small retest, maybe somewhere here, before maybe we can see the market going higher. You see that? So that's what I think about NASDAQ at the moment. So let's go back to maybe a bit smaller time frame, like 4 hour, and see exactly what can happen. Or maybe we see on 4 hour we're still very close to our resistance, but let's draw this support resistance and see, sorry, support trend line, and see what we can, something like this. So we can say if the market goes the other way, if the market doesn't break this resistance here, if it doesn't break, it means we can expect the market to go down, but maybe from Monday we can have maybe the consolidation around this. You can see this, it's now like a wedge. So if you want to sell, it means let the market break this area here, then when it retests, you can say maybe the market will go down. But for us who only buy, it means we're going to wait for the market to break this area. It will depend if maybe we'll take a trade according to the candlesticks, or maybe to wait for the retest. But the best thing is to wait for the retest. Then when the market retest, you can take a very nice buy, you see. So let me push lower, maybe to an hour time frame. On an hour time frame, we still see the same picture that we saw on 4 hour time frame. So you can see, let me zoom again so that you can see. Here we have we reach this resistance here. This is a resistant zone, guys. It's not like only those one line. It's a resistant zone. Anything can happen around this place, you see, around this zone. So here, but we can see that we have this resistance, and we see that the market is resisting again here. So what I'm thinking is NASDAQ can create this small moves here in this wedge, because you can see now we are in this wedge now, until we have that breakout or this breakout, you see. So it means we have to wait for the market to break around to break either up or lower, so we can say maybe we can buy or sell. So I think maybe this way it's easy it's easy if you want to check which direction the market will go. Maybe next week, let's say next week, maybe from Tuesday, because on Monday I think maybe we'll just have some consolidation around this area. So that way I think maybe for you to be safe, wait for the nice breakout here or this one. So I think maybe that way it's going to be easy for anyone who will just follow this. So if you are not subscribed, please hit that subscribe button, like, share. You can also comment. If you want to be in my signals group, go to my description, there is my contact. So let's go straight to US30. Let's go straight to US30 and see what we can expect from there. I'll start with the daily time frame. Guys, this I don't this is a raw video, so I don't go editing the videos. I just record everything straight and send and upload to my YouTube. So everything here is raw. So let's draw our resistance and support and see where maybe the market can bounce. I see this. I hope you can also see that. Even here you can see that we had this zones. So the market actually broke this area, but we also had something like here. We also had something around here, but I don't think it was very strong. So around this zone you can see that the market already, this is much similar to NASDAQ, but NASDAQ it's already, sorry, the NASDAQ did not break at the moment, so it seems like NASDAQ is going to do the same thing what happened here, you see. But this one, this breakout, I think it will just come back before it can go smoothly again. But on NASDAQ we still under resistance. Here we broke our resistance, you can see here, so we are above. So it means for US30 we don't have much stuff to do. This is an hour. Let me go to daily and see. Okay, you can see even on a daily time frame it's like bullish, is very strong. On a 4 hour you can still see. So I think where the market will reject, we can just at the moment we can tick that and say maybe it's going to be our resistance. So we'll just wait for that. Maybe the market, you can see here the market broke and then came back again. So even here maybe the market can do the same thing. I'm trying to draw this thing nicely. Yeah, something like that. So even here it can be something like here, you see that. So this area maybe it will start to do something like that, you see that. So from that point I think maybe this is going to be maybe our new resistance. So we can expect the market to reject, because this is a very strong bullish momentum. So we don't expect the market just to continue like that. So we expect the market to move like this. Even if maybe it's creating an uptrend, it can't just move like this. So we can expect the market to move this way in a trending form. So if it's not going to trend as a US30, mostly it doesn't really trend in a smooth way. So it does something like this. It creates moves like this, consolidate, push higher, create similar stuff like that, you see. If you check here, it's just the same thing. If you draw those things, they will all give you something like that. So it doesn't go like this. It doesn't go like this as a normal trending. So it trends like this, you see. So which, if you don't understand, it moves like something like this. If you don't understand it, then you're going to be in trouble. So it creates something like this most of the time, you see. So that's what I'm thinking, that maybe it can happen. But at the moment, you don't have to sell because you don't know if this is a resistance or something. So it means we have to wait, and if it bounces around this area, still we don't have to do anything. So unless if it comes around this area, it's where we can say we can buy. Then when it reaches this area, if it bounces, it means it will be confirming that this is our area. It's a resistant area from that point, because here is just our first point, so this is second point. It's a confirmation. Then if it comes for the third time here, it's where we're going to say we can sell. You see that? So that way I think it's going to be easy. So I think the market will just do that. It won't just go up further. So don't expect some crazy move maybe next week. So we can have maybe consolidation, something like that. Or the market can still come back around this area, because this is a crazy move. So it's very bullish. So we can expect the market to come back slowly around this area or around this area. Then the market can push higher again. So I think maybe everything, whatever that I wanted to say here, already said. So it's straightforward, it's simple. So if you are not subscribed, please hit that subscribe button, like, share, comment. If you want to talk to me, on my description there is my contacts, Telegram or WhatsApp. Then contact me, we can talk. If you want to be in the group, so you can also let me know. This is Kenzo. Bye.